Boom. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. I'm getting busy. We got some, what are they called? Oh, yogurt biscuits about to go in the oven. I'm going to be making something for the first time. Actually homemade. It's going to be chicken fried steak. Never done it at home before. I've always just bought it at restaurants, which I do love chicken fried steak. I like it a lot. It's one of my favorites. So hopefully this comes out really well. Got the meat in the refrigerator, which I need to get out like as soon as I get done introing this video. I'm gonna do basically I'm gonna do breakfast. So I'm gonna do chicken fried steak, gravy, biscuits, and then I'm gonna do a couple eggs. Do you have my egg pan right here? So I'm gonna be making. Thought I'd start things off with breakfast because I love breakfast. And I'm not making any hash browns because I'm already going to have the biscuits. So that'll be my starch. So let's get to it. Alright, so I'm going to dredge in flour. And egg wash. So make sure I get the whole thing drenched in egg. Kind of seems like a waste egg to do this, but oh, and it's starting to fall apart. And back in the flour for a second coating. Make sure I get so, pan's feeling hot, so I might just go ahead and there we go. I don't think my pan was all the way hot before I threw it in there. That was my bad. Got a little impatient. So, got my flour ready. I'm going to make the gravy right in that pan when I pull that out. So let's go ahead and flip this chicken fried steak. Let's see if I can do it all in one piece. Oh, it looks really good. Maybe it needs to be up a little higher. I didn't want it to get too dark, so I kept the heat kind of down a bit. So I think the outer edges are done it all, so it might require a couple flips. Alright. So I forgot to push start on the, well, there's a couple things. One is I forgot the oven temperature for the biscuits. And then I forgot to press start. Actually, they're nice and brown on the bottom. They might actually be done. They're nice and toasty brown on the bottom. Or nice golden brown, I should say. Let's go ahead and call them done. Kill the timer. Should probably show you flipping the steak. Now, like I said, I own up to the fact that I put it in a little too when the pan wasn't fully hot. So that was my bad. It looks pretty good though, I gotta say. It looks alright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and call this because it looks like it's done. I got this pan here to let it drain on. Set that right there. I want to do a little bit more bacon grease and lower the temperature just a bit so I can make the gravy. Might have enough, maybe. So looks good and not too dark. Make sure the temperature. A little sprinkle of flour. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the burner for the back. That looks okay. Let's add the milk. Go ahead and just kill that heat. The pan may have been a little too hot for the milk, maybe. It's thickened up nice. Thickened up real nice. Might be a little too thick. Might have to add a little bit more milk. Not that having gravy is too much, but I don't want to have it too thick either. Some of you gravy masters are probably over there shaking your head. I actually don't make a lot of. Yeah, I think adding a little bit more milk was a good call. See how it was kind of thick. Now the burner is still off, so. But that looks like a pretty good consistency. Oh, I gotta season it and I gotta taste it too. I gotta, let's see. I had a spoon over here. Gotta see how it tastes. Yeah, I need seasoning. Definitely need seasoning. We got some black pepper. And I got some salt. Of course, put in the amounts that, yeah, it looks like a good consistency for gravy. Go ahead and put the, get the eggs going. I'm gonna do mine over easy. And of course, I pepper my eggs. I'm gonna taste this gravy again. Oh man. Yeah, that was always taste. You know, if you're not sure if it's seasoned, just give it a taste. Chicken fried steak on the plate. Oh, look at the size of this thing. Look at that. This thing is huge. It's gonna be delicious. Biscuits. I'm going to unapologetically eat all 6 of these, by the way. And I will not feel sorry about that. Oh, I gotta show you the flip. Everybody always likes the flip. Boom. And then, let's see. I gotta get the gravy out of here. I got a nice spoon. Like the perfect amount of gravy too. Not too much, not too little. Put some right on the biscuits. I hope I'm in view. Kill the heat on the eggs. I don't have any extra gravy for the other 4 biscuits, but that's totally fine. I will make do. All that's off. Yeah, I think I'm done. We have biscuits. Well, guess I'll do chicken fried steak and eggs. There you go. That's a thumbnail for you. Let me clean up a little bit and then we'll taste it. First, add a little bit more black pepper to everything. I really like black pepper. You probably noticed. Oh, come on. All right, there we go. Breakfast for dinner. I gotta try this chicken fried steak first because I'm really curious how it came out. So, there you go. Wow. Some of the flour kind of came off, so I should have made sure to have more flour on it. That real crispy crust. It tastes really good though. Really good. Try the biscuits are fully cooked. The gravy's really good too. Oh yeah. Man. I'll tell you what, those yogurt biscuits, those are just money. Alright, well, I'm going to sit down and eat. I'll bring you guys back. So, anyway, clean plate. I actually cleaned it about an hour ago, but I was ended up joining BC Gerb's live chat, so it was good talking to your brother. And yeah, so I cleaned up my mess, and oh yeah, the chicken fried steak was delicious, really good. I'm at work. Tomorrow I'm gonna make the other piece I have, but I'm probably not gonna film it. But I'm gonna try to get more flour on it next time. I think it would be good to get a little bit more crispy crust. But I still got 2 biscuits I'll probably munch on. It's still midnight snack. Anyway, appreciate you watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Boom.